Welcome back to DeCourcy Island. My name's Jake. I'm a carpenter for Yager Construction. Since the last video that is linked right here, we have framed the basement and the first floor and the first story, and we are currently framing the loft. We've been working with the engineer for any of the changes that have happened. We've worked with Salt Air Marine to land the rest of our house package, and we have designed an off-grid system for this house. Since this is a very remote location, there's challenges that we face daily. Number one, we have to get here, so we take the crew boat over, and depending on the wind and the tide, it will determine where we land the crew. As well as we have a generator for power, we have to charge our batteries overnight to make sure that we have all our tools ready to go for the next day. Currently behind me, the crew is working on blocking for the shear wall on the first floor, and they're installing the joists for the loft and sheathing the exterior walls. Because of the lay of the land, the basement became bigger, which was a blessing and a curse because it takes more time to build and is more expensive, but we get more storage and a place to put all our off-grid systems down in the basement. Now that we have more space in the basement, the building was designed with a mechanical room on the first floor, close to the kitchen, but this being a smaller cabin, we've decided to delete that back to make more room up near the kitchen and the living room, and to take those systems down into the basement. So this house behind me will be run fully off-grid. So it will be there'll be solar with a battery bank, and the heat and cooking and hot water on demand will all be generated from propane. The propane was a challenge to figure out how to get it here. We're working with Bellavance, their landing craft, and with Salt Spring Propane, and we will be landing a 500-gallon propane tank off by the bunkhouse, and that will feed the house year-round for the propane needs. So what the crew and myself are working towards right now is we're really pushing to get this roof on and get it totally waterproof so we can get our sub-trades like plumbing and electrical inside, get everything roughed in so we can insulate and drywall and keep the ball rolling on this project. This being in a remote site, every day is an adventure, so the morale is very high. Everybody's having a great time. Every day we're creating and making great progress, but at the same time enjoying what we're doing out here. We thoroughly enjoy bringing content to you every week, and if you enjoy it, please leave a comment or like or subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. And if you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to us at our social media platform or at the office. My name's Jake, and this is Yager Built.